Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Developers. Friends, in this video we are going to learn the topic an encounter of a special kind. It's chit chat, margin questions and workshop from 10th standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started our video. One point two, an encounter of a special kind. Warming up, chit chat. This is the picture. One. Chit chat means gappa goshti ba. Look at the picture given on course book page number 7 and answer the following questions. First question, what do you see in the picture? तुम्ही या चित्रात काय पाहता या चित्रामध्ये? Answer is, I see a small girl carrying a puppy in a large round tub in neck deep water of the river. In neck deep water in the river. Second question, what do you think the girl is trying to do or why? ती मुलगी काय करण्याचा प्रयत्न करीत आहे आणि का? Answer, the girl I believe is trying to rescue the puppy from drowning in the river because anyhow she wanted to save the puppy. Third, if you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? तुम्ही त्या मुलीच्या जागी असता तर काय केले असते? Answer, I would also have tried to rescue the puppy if that was within my reach. 4. Do you think she was successful in her action? ती तिच्या कृतीत यशस्वी झाली असे तुम्हाला वाटते का? Answer, yes, the girl has rescued the puppy from drowning in the river. So I think she was successful in saving the puppy. This is the question of chit chat. Now second, match the appropriate headline with the image. बघा इमेज कोणते आहे? our luxurious bungalow. बघा सी म्हणजे बघा इथे बंगलोचं चित्र दिसतंय म्हणजे तो सी असणार आहे. ते बघा सी. Then my favorite pastime. पास्ट टाइम मध्ये कशात घालवणार बघा? बुक रीडिंग बुक मध्ये. म्हणजे तुमचं इथे सेकंड मध्ये असणार आहे ते ए असणार आहे. थर्ड, व्हॉट अ कमोशन्स. व्हॉट अ कमोशन्स कशामध्ये असणार बघा? इथे डी मध्ये बघा. त्रासदायक. त्रासदायक म्हणजे तुमचा हा इथे आन्सर असणार आहे डी चा. आणि फोर्थ नंबर, एनग्रोस इन अ बुक. बुक मध्ये एनग्रोस झालेला, गर्ग झालेला म्हणजे इथे आहे तुमचा आन्सर बी. दिस इज द chit chat of the 1.2 an encounter of the special kinds. 2.2 an encounter of a special kind from Tapan Mukherjee. It's warming up. Match the appropriate headings with the image. Answer are given directly. 1. Our luxurious bungalow. C. Second, my favorite pastime. A. Third, what a commotion. D. And engross in my book. B. Now it's vocabulary. Vocabulary. Engross means occupy in म्हणजे तल्लीन किंवा मग्न. सेकंड, अनफोल्डेड मीन्स रिव्हेल उलगडणे. न्यू डायमेन्शन, न्यू फॅक्टर मीन्स नवपरिणाम. हर्टी, सफिशियंट अँड होलसम मीन्स मनसोक्त. इंटरमिटेंट मीन्स फ्रिक्वेंट, अधून मधून. shrill, very high and loud sound, voice. कर्कश किंवा कर्णकर्कश असा आवाज. कमोशन्स मीन्स नॉइज अँड कन्फ्युजन, गोंधळ गडबड. हेल्पलेस, अनफॉर्च्युनेट, दुर्दैवी, दुर्लक्षित. कॅकोफोनी मीन्स कॅकोफोनी मीन्स लाईक अ लाऊड हार्श नॉइज मीन्स कर्णकर्कश किंवा कर्णकठू आवाज. गॉट द बेटर ऑफ मीन्स ओव्हरपॉवर, डिफिटेड मीन्स जिंकणे. मर्सिलेसली मीन्स क्रुएली मीन्स मराठीमध्ये निर्दयीपणे. क्लॅन, अ व्हेरी लार्ज फॅमिली, कुल किंवा वंश. डॉमिनंट, पॉवरफुल, सुपेरियर्स म्हणजे सत्ताधारी, प्रबळ. स्टाउट म्हणजे हेवी, मजबूत किंवा उमदा. देन हर्ड मीन्स थ्रो फोर्सफुली किंवा भिरकावले मराठीमध्ये त्याच्यानंतर मेरॉडिंग्स मीन्स लाईक अ सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग टू स्टेल ऑर अटॅक, धाड घालणे. असॉल्ट मीन्स लाईक अटॅक, हल्ला. लिस्टलेस मीन्स विदाउट एनी एनर्जी, उदासीन, अनुत्सुक. स्लाइड डाऊन, मूव डाऊनवर्ड म्हणजे खाली येणे. मॅनिफोल्ड्स मीन्स लाईक अ मोअर अँड मोअर म्हणजे बहुविध. प्रॉस्पेक्ट, फ्युचर बेनिफिट, अपेक्षा. इनर्ट मीन्स पॉवरलेस, मोशनलेस, अचल किंवा गतिहीन. कूप, केज फॉर पोल्ट्री, खुराडे. उझिंग, रिलायझिंग, ओव्हरफ्लोइंग मीन्स स्राव होणे किंवा पाझरणे. मफल मीन्स लाईक अ क्वाइटन्स और द सप्रेस साऊंड म्हणजे दबलेला आवाज. स्टियर म्हणजे मूव, हालचाल, हलवणे ट्रॉमा मीन्स लाईक अ ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेस, मनाला झालेली जखम. डिसेंडेड, मूव डाऊनवर्ड म्हणजे खाली उतरला. कॉडल्स मीन्स लाईक अ हॉल्ड क्लोजली, अलिंगन दिले. सोलॅस मीन्स लाईक अ कम्फर्ट अँड पीस, सांत्वन. पॉन्डर मीन्स थिंक ओव्हर डीपली, गंभीर विचार करणे. स्टिकर, टू बी हिट हार्ड, सफर, पिडलेला किंवा जर्जर झालेला. युनिव्हर्सल, एक्साइटिंग, एव्हरीवेअर और इन्व्हॉल्विंग एव्हरीथिंग, सार्वत्रिक. फेसियस, एव्हिल, विकेड, दुष्ट. हम्स इनटू ऍक्शन, बिकम्स ऍक्टिव्ह म्हणजेच व्यग्रता. कंपेन्शन्स मीन्स लाईक अ सिम्पथी अँड काइंडनेस, दया. It's margin question. Now come to the margin question. First margin question: what was the profession of the writer's father? What was the profession of the writer's father? Answer: the writer's father was the medical professional. Second, describe the campus where the writer's family lived. Answer is: the campus where the writer's family lived house individual bungalows. The writer's house was in the corner of the campus with officers club adjacent to their garden boundary wall. The campus had tall and majestic trees with luxurious green grass and colorful flowers. Now third question: how did the family relax after lunch? Answer: the family relaxed after lunch by laying down for an afternoon nap. Fourth, what wicked customs is practiced by animals who live in groups? Answer is: the wicked customs practiced by animals who live in groups is that the dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. This is the fourth number. Now question number 5. What attempts help the baby langurs to revive? Answer is, the baby langur revived after he was providing first aid to clean his wound and stop the bleeding. Splash of cold water made the baby stir and sit up. He was also provided with a banana for food. Sixth question. When did baby langurs finally find comfort? Answer is, the baby langur finally found comfort when his mother cuddles him tightly in her bosoms. Seventh question. What truth about animals' human relationship did this incident reveals to the narrator? Answer is, the incident reveals to the narrator that interspecies communications and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chords, the relationship comes into actions. 8 number question. What did the mother seems to convey to the narrator? Answer is, the mother conveyed her gratitude to the narrator for saving her child. Now English workshop. आता बघा इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आपण बघूया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statement. Justify your choice with proper reasons. A. The compound where the writer was living rich in nature's beauty. Answer is, I agree with this statement, as the compound where the writer was living was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. B. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer, I agree with these statements, as during the holidays we do not have to worry about school, studies, or any homework. This gives us time to read various magazines and storybooks as per our interest. C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer, I do not agree with this statement. If the narrator did not save the baby langur, then the male adult langur would have surely killed the baby, as is the custom in some animals where the dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. D. Animal cannot convey emotions. Answer, I do not agree with this statement. Even though animals may not be able to speak our language, they can convey their emotions through gestures, eye contact, and overall behavior around us. E. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Answer, I do not agree with this statement. This incident happened 55 years ago when the narrator was 15 years old. Now second, match the phrases given in the group A with their meaning in the group B. Answers are given directly. A. To be a part of, parcel of. Answer is, to be an essential or integral part. B. To be engrossing. Answer is, to be completely occupied in. C. To take notice of. Answer is, to observe and give attention. D. To figure out. Answer is, to be able to solve a problem. E. To ponder over. Answer is, to think about seriously. F. To be overwhelmed by. Answer is, to be affected emotionally in powerful way. G. In a flash. Answer is, very quickly. H. To find a solace. Answer is, to find comfort and peace. Third, is write your own words. A. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? Answer is, the narrator ignored the barking of dogs because he was engrossed in his book. And second, initially he thought the dogs were after a helpless pig. B. Why did the mother langur make no efforts to grab her baby from the coop? Answer is, the mother langur made no effort to grab her baby from the coop because she was convinced to harm was being done to her baby. Second, she also realized the narrator was caring for her baby by providing first aid and food. Now, question number 4. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text in sequential orders. म्हणजे कालानुघटना कालानुक्रमे लावायच्या आहेत. करेक्ट ऑर्डर गिवन बिलो. बाद लावलेल्याच आहेत इथे लावून दिलेल्या जशी फर्स्ट, आय वॉज एनग्रोस इन व्हेरियस मॅगझिन and storybook. Second, I became deeply absorbed in a book. Third, I heard the disturbance approaching closer. Fourth, I saw something horrible. Fifth, I recall the terrible customs in the animals clan. Sixth, I gathered a stout stick and then started throwing stones. Next, 7 number, I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail. 8th, I took the baby langurs to the backyard. 9th, I offered him a peel banana. 10th, I allowed the mother access to her baby. 11th, I cannot forget the look in her eyes. 12th, I was sure the food was not the only means of communication. 13th, I still faintly remember that encounter. Now question number 5. Discuss the following and write about in it your own words in 5 to 6 lines. A. What would you do if you found an injured bird while returning from your school? Answer is, if I found an injured bird while returning from school, first I would pick the bird up and get it to my home. I would then try to provide first aid on the bird's injured part and check if it can move its part probably. I would also try to feed the bird some food and provide water. If the bird is still not able to move properly, I would ask my parents to take up to a vet so that the bird could get proper medical attention. Vet means veterinarian, म्हणजे डॉक्टर गुरांचे किंवा पशूंचे पक्ष्यांचे डॉक्टर. Then B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? Answer is, I feel the narrator was a kind and caring person. He could have easily ignored the barking of the dogs and continue with reading his book. However, when he found out about the baby langur being mercilessly attacked by the adult male langur, he ensured he helped the baby survive and scare the bad langur away. He also took the baby langur to his backyard and provided first aid and food till the baby felt better and was able to go to his mother. All this show the kind and caring nature of the narrator. Now question number 6. Complete the following and write the paragraph on each of the given activities. Mother-child relationship. First, love and affection. Second, bonding and caring. Next, protection. Next, warmth. And last one, supportive relationship. Now paragraph. Mother-child relationship is one of the most special relationships in the world. The love and the affections between mother and her child is incomparable to any other relationship. No one can care for their children like a mother, and his form and unique bond between the mother and child. Children also continuously look for protection as well as support from their mother as they grow and well into their adult life as well. The warmth of the mother and child relationship is truly something to celebrate. Now, second, injured animal. How will you help you? Providing first aid, clean the wound, provide water or food, provide shelter, take to vet. Paragraph. Paragraph. When an animal is injured, we must do our best to care for them. Firstly, we need to ensure they are given first aid as soon as possible. The injured part or would need to be cleaned before applying any kind of medicine. We also need to provide both food and water so that the animal does not become too weak and is able to get better soon. If possible, we must provide shelter to the animal till it is able to move around on its own. If the injury is severe, we should take the animal to a vet, means veterinarian, so that they can get professional medical assistance. Now question number 7. Work in the pair and make as many words as you can using letter in the word encounter. बघा एनकाउंटर पासून छोटे शब्द बनवायचे आहेत. 3 letters वर्ड कोणकोणते होतात बघा एनकाउंटर पासून? टेन, रन, नॉट, कॉन, टॉन, टर्न, देन नेट, वन, नॉट, कॉट आणि नॉट. आता 4 letter वर्ड्स कोणकोणते बघा? टॉर्न, नाउन, टोअर, कॉर्न, सेंट, ट्री, टर्न, ट्यून, ट्रू आणि टीन. 5 or 6 letter words: enter, count, center, court and root. Now question number 8. Translate the following proverbs in English. First, Janisewa हीच खरी ईश्वर सेवा. Answer is service to man is service to God. Second, पेरावे तसे उगवते. And answer is you reap as you sow. And 9 number question, write a paragraph and given an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. Birds and animals, love and affections, loyal, our best friends, serve us, protection and security, kindness and honest, comparison, or do not hurt or destroy us, or loneliness. And answer, title, our relationship with our animals friends. The relationship between humans and the animals kingdom, including birds, is a special relationship. Although birds and animals may not be able to communicate in words, they can do so using gestures and eye contact. Unlike what many people believe, animals do not hurt or try to destroy us. Just like that, in fact, they are usually extremely loyal and have love and affections for us in their heart. Some animals can be our best friend by being there for us, provide protections and security, and help us avoid loneliness by always being around. In fact, animals serve us in several ways in which we do not even come to know in our daily lives. We owe it to our animal friends to have a relation with them that is full of kindness, honesty and compassion. Now question number 10. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. Types of news: international, business, sports, local, political and economics. Now template for the news report. 1. Headline means title. B. Dateline means day, date, place and resource. C. Intro, covering maximum WH questions. D. Short continuing paragraph means detail. E. Conclusion. Now B. Read the following headline and write the dateline, intro and a short continuing paragraph. Achievers narrate their success stories at career counseling event. This Tanvi Patil's student report, Monday 21st September 2019, Mumbai. Successful entrepreneurs, sports personality and artists from all across the country came together to narrate their success stories at the annual career counselor event held at Tata Auditorium. It was truly inspirational evening for student and aspiring young adult, as some of the biggest names in India were on stage narrating their stories from day of struggle to the current success they are enjoying. Some of those parents amongst the achievers were Mr. Ganesh Mane, the founder and CEO of BITS Technology, Mrs. Priya Jadhav, All India Badminton Champion, and Miss Monica Raut, the renowned singer who has won the number of national awards in the past year. All of the achievers will given 10 minutes on stage to narrate their stories, and at the end there was a questions and answer session held as well. Students attending the event were especially excited as they got to meet some of their role models and felt a number of opportunities had opened up for them. The success of annual counseling event has now encouraged the organizers to hold more such events all across the country. India's first ever tourism university to be established by IIHM. Thursday, January 18, 2019. Management IIHM will soon be coming up with the country's first ever tourism university named IIHM University in West Bengal under the WB Private University Act. IIHM have a strong vision of creating one of the world's best center of excellence in tourism studies with course in tourism development, hospitality and tourism studies, ecotourism, sustainable tourism and the tourism in digital worlds, among others. With striking visions, IIHM will create a multicultural environment in all its campuses. It would be offering employment-oriented course in tourism studies, eco-friendly tourism, digital world tourism and sustainable tourism. It would compete with the other tourism universities around the world. C. Read the following headline and write the news report. Follow the steps as given. Headline: Tiger attacks 8 years old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Deadline: Wednesday 1st January 2018, New Delhi. Landline: in the shocking incident, an 8-year-old girl was attacked by a tiger at the Rajiv Gandhi National Park in New Delhi. Body: the Sanjay Gandhi National Park witnessed the worst disaster today. A 7-year tiger attacked an 8-year-old boy. It dragged the boy from the banister and took it inside its den. Onlookers were horrified by the scene. The park authorities also could not free the boy from the tiger's grip. The park had a huge turnout today on the account of the New Year. Families with children all flocked to the zoological park. The tiger's enclosure was the favorite hunt. It is true that there was a lot of noise and confusion. In fact, some children were even throwing stones at the tigers. The 7-year-old Royal Bengal tiger is known for its ill temper. As a warning, it and roar fiercely several times. This excited the crowd even more. An 8-year-old boy pretended to shoot at the tiger with his water gun. This made the tiger wild. The wildness of the wild was set loose. It took a giant leap at the banister, pounced on the boy and dragged it towards its den. The horrified crowd looked on. The boy's mother is in a state of shock. The park authorities have not been able to recover the boy from the tiger's clutch. The park authorities have refused to speak to the media. The park has been closed for the public till further notice. Conclusion: this unfortunate incident brought back memories of a similar attack that took place almost a year back, which was also blamed at the negligence of the park authorities. Park management has been requested by concerned visitors and parents to step up safely and security measures to avoid such accident in the future. Now language study. लँग्वेज स्टडीमध्ये काय दिले बघा, त्याचं तिथे प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल म्हणजे बघा प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल क्रियापदाचं बघा द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंडिंग इन ING विच इज यूज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. बघा ज्याच्या शेवटी ज्या शब्दाच्या शेवटी ING लावलेला असतं तो कंटिन्युअस टेन्स म्हणजे चालू काळाचं उदाहरण असतं. बघा फॉर एक्झाम्पल ही इज सिटिंग हिअर, ही इज याच्यामध्ये सिटिंगला आहे जे लागलं सिटिंग हिअर, तो इथे बसलेला आहे म्हणजे चालू काळ आहे. Now find out the ING forms from the story and classify them into the following table. Classify केलेले बाय answers are given directly. Present participle, twinkling eyes, dogs barking, then marauding langur, slopping roof, then uncanny feelings and carrying arms. Use in the present continuous tense मध्ये बघा starter trembling, then barking become louder, what was going on, mercilessly biting it all over, nearby watching the baby started throwing more stones, like that. Then second, spot the error and correct the following sentence. याच्यामध्ये काय केले चूक बघा, my grandparents laid down for an afternoon nap. ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा लेच केलेलं बघा इथे काय केलं बघा बुक मध्ये काय आहे लेडचं ले केलेलं आहे म्हणजे तिथे लेड पास्ट टेन्स मध्ये जातं इथे ले झालं पाहिजे. देन सेकंड मध्ये बघा अ स्ट्रेंजर वॉज नॉकिंग ॲट द डोअर. इथे बघा वॉच केलेलं आहे तिथे वेअर होतं तिथे वॉच वेअरच्या ऐवजी वॉच झालेलं आहे. देन सी माय सिस्टर अँड आय शार्प अ स्टडी रूम हे आन्सर आहे. तिथे बघा काय दिलं तो शेअर्स होतं माय सिस्टर अँड सॉरी माय सिस्टर अँड शेअर्स होतं तिथं काय केलं माय सिस्टर अँड आय शेअर केलं बा यस काढून टाकलं का तर माय सिस्टर आणि आय हे दे मध्ये होतं त्याच्या पुढे डू रूप येतं त्यामुळे शेअर होतं. त्याच्यानंतर डी बघा वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स इज लिव्हिंग स्कूल फ्रेंड्स आहे वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स इथे तिथे फ्रेंड दिलं होतं तिथं फ्रेंड्स झालेलं आहे बघा. आणि शेवटचं बघा अ फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स वॉज फ्लाइंग ओव्हर फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स आहे तिथे वेअर दिलं होतं पण बघा फ्लॉक आहे पण बर्ड्स आहे परंतु फ्लॉक हे एक वचन आहे त्यामुळे वॉजच येणार वॉज फ्लाइंग ओव्हर हेड अशा प्रकारे आहे. आता थर्ड बघूया बघा आपण तर रिराईट द सेंटेन्स ॲज पर इन्स्ट्रक्शन गिवन अलॉंग विथ म्हणजे जसं इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिलेत फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय टूक द बेबी लंगू टू आवर बॅकयार्ड रिराईट द सेंटेन्स इन द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स मध्ये बघा काय आलं पाहिजे हॅव आणि सॉरी पास्ट मध्ये हॅडचं रूप आलं पाहिजे बघा कसं बघा वाक्य झालं बघा आय टूक द लंगूर सॉरी आय टूक द बेबी लंगूर टू द आवर बॅकयार्ड याचं आन्सर येईल आय हॅड टेकन द बेबी लंगू टू आवर बॅकयार्ड. सेकंड आहे बघा शी सिम्पली सॅट देअर क्वाइटली रिराईट द सेंटेन्स इन द प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स बघा प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस म्हणजे चालू वर्तमान काळ उत्तर बघा शी इज आन्सर इज बघा शी इज सिम्पली सिटिंग देअर क्वाइटली. सी आहे बघा द मदर लंगूर लुक स्ट्रेट इन टू माय आईज रिराईट द सेंटेन्स इन सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स बघा आन्सर इज द मदर लंगूर लुक स्ट्रेट इन टू माय आईज. डी she surveyed the area for the facious male langur. Rewrite the sentence in the simple future tense. Answer is she will survey the area for the facious male langur.